Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again. Just a very quick video, just warning about fake selvage denim. Now, I've heard about these before, but I'd never actually come across any that I was altering. The gentleman had sent these to me in the post, and he said they were selvage denim, so obviously, we're discussing different ways how we can taper them and stuff, and then found out they are actually fake. So they are made, these ones are made, I've heard that Gap do a fake selvage, and this company called GRANA, if that's the way you pronounce it, these guys do a fake selvage as well. So obviously I think the idea is that the no selvage jeans are popular, and that obviously, lads do like to wear them with a turn up and then show off this selvage, rather than say having the orange overlocks finish. They like to have the selvage finish, which is totally fine. But these guys decided to do a fake selvage, which is basically, it's just a complete band of like fake selvage, or whatever you want to call it, which is then stitched on top of the overlocking. So then when you wear it as a turn up, it gives you that illusion look that it's selvage denim, when actually it's not. And they are actually they're not a bad denim actually, to be honest. They're a nice dark wash denim. They've got a little bit of elasticity in them. They almost feel a bit like the denim APC use. So I don't think the denim quality and the finish of everything's pretty decent. That's fine. It's just obviously they've just got this fake selvage thing going on. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, as it's not something I've come across often. I'm not sure if anyone else has done videos on YouTube and stuff to give people a heads up about it. But if you're shopping online, obviously, or just shopping, it's something to be aware of, just in case. I'm not saying they're out to con people or anything. I'm sure that's not the case. It's just part of the style, which obviously selvage denim is popular. So obviously there's a few people trying to keep the cost down. I'm guessing these will be around about £50 a stab in the dark, just going off. So maybe obviously it's a way of doing selvage, but obviously not charging a fortune for it. I'm not sure whereabouts they're made. They're made in China. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, so thanks for tuning in, guys. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to the video. Obviously, you can check out my other videos. I've been chatting about repair work and alteration work that we're doing at the moment, and I'll keep you updated as and when work comes in that's a bit different, and keep the channel going. So thanks very much for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it. You can drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. You can also find me on Instagram, which I'm on. That's my most popular social media that I use day to day. And obviously, I do throw up a few videos here on YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate all the support on the channel and helping it grow. Thank you. Thanks.